Father, I pray also in Jesus' name, if you have this and that kind of ailments and diseases and sicknesses of your body, I declare healing of your body right now in Jesus' name. Kung saan yung karamdaman mo, kindly let your right hands will touch that part of your body where sicknesses and diseases is there. Gawin mo ngayon. And I just want you to close your eyes and I will pray for you. Father, bless the hands of my brothers and sisters right now. Lord, move your spirit, move your power into that hands. And upon praying for tonight, I declare healing. Cancer, be healed in Jesus' name. Back pain, be healed in Jesus' name. Vertigo, migraine, headache, no more. It will gone by the power of Jesus' name. Stomach pain, for so many years you're suffering that kind of pain. Now, no more. It will gone. It will be healed. Healing of the heart. We are all in pain. We face different trials in life.